Monkeypox cases continuing to climb in the United States. New York City, the epicenter of this outbreak, accounting for 1/4 of all cases in the country. Today, there are 389 cases in New York alone. That number will grow tomorrow, by the way. Hours ago, city officials pledging to make 12,000 new vaccines available, and they're now once again trying a new way to schedule appointments after people encountered big problems and confusion trying to get vaccinated. This has not been a pretty rollout. Here's investigative reporter Krauth.
So this one on my finger is kind of in the scabbing stage.
More than 2 weeks after contracting monkeypox, Kyle Plank has about 30 blisters and spots all over his body.
Going from having a really high fever and all of that directly into having really intense pain was pretty terrible.
The 26-year-old from Queens isn't your typical patient. He's a PhD student specializing in infectious diseases.
I have not actually found anyone who had monkeypox before me who could have given it to me. So it's definitely an open question.
Anyone can get monkeypox, but is primarily spreading locally from close contact and the LGBTQ+ community. Kyle says he tried to get vaccinated before contracting the virus, but like hundreds of other New Yorkers, he ran into frustration trying to book an online appointment. With a limited amount of vaccine, so many people lined up outside a Chelsea clinic, they had to turn people away. Then last week, the website to book online appointments faced numerous glitches and technical difficulties. So the city switched contractors to fix the problem, and the new website crashed. Thousands of users got this message instead of an appointment.
We own it. You know, those mistakes shouldn't happen.
The health commissioner apologized repeatedly, saying they're currently creating a better site.
We had another epic meltdown.
The Manhattan borough president questioned why the city isn't using the vaccination site already in place for COVID-19 or a lottery system for fairness.
Instead of farming this out to contractors who have repeatedly been blowing it on monkeypox, let's just use the platform that's already in place.
Just this afternoon, the health department announced in a press release it is going to use the platform already in place after all, Vax for NYC. They're taking appointments for the next 2 weeks, beginning at 6 p.m. tomorrow at new locations. Meanwhile, Kyle has used his quarantine time to write a letter to lawmakers, asking for more access to not just vaccines, but the antiviral treatment he received after getting diagnosed.
After being on the medication for only about 2 days, I already started to see really dramatic improvement of my symptoms.